So you just told me that the low-ranking individuals in the group are more prone to have a potent immune response to bacterial infections. Do you think that that's because they're likely to get infections more and it's worthwhile investing more life's energy in protecting? Or is it more just bad luck and it causes inflammation to no purpose?
Yeah, that's a great question. What we do know is that sustained inflammation or chronic inflammation tends to be negative for health. I mean, there are a lot of diseases that humans get, for example, that are really strongly associated with too much inflammation or not controlling inflammation well. So I think our temptation is to interpret that as maybe not such a great thing. We haven't shown that, right? What we'd really like to know is, well, then do these animals live shorter lives, or do they get heart disease?
So there's two different bad things. One is chronic disease from inflammation itself, and the other is the possibility that the inflammation protects them from infection.
Yeah, that's right. So I think that's a great question. We just don't know the answer to it. One possibility that sort of an idea that's out there is that pro-inflammatory responses are part of the innate immune system's response, sort of the non-specific attack of the immune system against pathogens. And it might just be energetically less expensive. It might cost the body less to mount that kind of response than doing something that's really specific to whatever happens to be invading your body. So again, we haven't tested this, but the idea is then that low-ranking individuals just might have, less to give, and so they're investing more in this sort of cheaper pro-inflammatory response than in doing something that might long-term be better for you but cost more.
So it sounds like a lot of systems in the body kind of allocate energy to one thing or another depending on what's best. Let's go on and talk about that in a minute.
Okay.